Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Sovrn affiliate access in USA step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process for Sovrn affiliate access in the USA, visit the Sovrn website. Once on the home page, navigate to the login section. Enter your credentials to access your affiliate account. After logging in, locate the dashboard. In the dashboard, find the menu option for Account Settings. Click on Account Settings to proceed. Next, look for the section labeled Affiliate Access. Within this section, you will find the option to authorize access. Select the Authorize Access button. A request form will appear on your screen. Fill out the required information, including your name and contact details. Ensure that you provide accurate information to avoid any delays. Once you have completed the form, review it for correctness. After reviewing, submit the authorization request. You should receive a confirmation message after submission. Check your email for a confirmation link from Sovrn. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to your Sovrn account dashboard. Now, confirm that your affiliate access is activated. You can do this by revisiting the affiliate access section in your account settings. If successful, you'll see a status indicating that your access is authorized. Finally, you're all set to start using your Sovrn affiliate access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.